可以开始。
Hi, hello, welcome to Shanghai Minglan Chemical.
Hi everyone, this is Kara from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are a professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additive. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our lubricant additive packages meet the specification requirement of bench test and possess excellent product performance and reliable quality, so that always holds technology leading status in the lubrication industry.
Hello everybody, this is Catherine, and now I will introduce the products of our company. We are lubricant additive supplier. Our additive package has more than 100 of additives, mainly including components, TBM booster, ZDDP, Ashler's dispersant, antioxidant, anti-foam, and viscosity index improver, and power pump stabilizant, and also with additive package including gear oil additive package, industry oil additive package, hydraulic oil additive package, and engine oil additive package.
Okay, this is the brief introduction of our company. So if you have any interest in our company or our product lubricant additive, just feel free to contact us. If you have any question, you can type your question in the public area. We can reply you now. Anyone here? Anyone have any question? No. And today we'll introduce to everybody a experiment. This experiment is measuring about the pH value. And now let's watch the video.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value of 0.0.
他俩昨天嫌视频太短。
Calibrate the instrument with
可以就
pH
那
value
挺好。
of 0.18 buffer solution. Calibrate the instrument with pH value 6.86 buffer solution. Measure the pH value of mixed solvent of polyethylene and ethanol. The pH value measured by the instrument is less than 7.00. Dilute the samples one by one with the solvent that pH value has been selected. Measure the pH value of sample 1. It has measured that the pH value is 5.71. Measure the pH value of sample 2. It has measured that the pH value is 5.84. Measure the pH value of sample 3. It has measured that the pH value is 6.31. It has measured that the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
Okay, now let's introduce this experiment step by step.
Okay, what's the experiment measure about?
This experiment is value about the pH value.
The first step is to immerse the glass electrode in the distilled water and immerse the reference electrode in saturated potassium chloride solution.
first we need to clean the instrument, and it needs to be cleaned every time before measuring the solution.
Calibrate the instrument.
Then we need to calibrate the instrument with pH value for buffer solution.
With pH value for 0.00 buffer solution.
Calibrate the instrument with a pH value 9.18 buffer solution.
Instrument with pH value 9.18 buffer solution. Calibrate the instrument.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value 6.86 buffer solution.
With pH value 6.86 buffer solution. Measure the
How many times should the instrument be calibrated?
It need be 3 times.
Measure the pH value of the mixed solvent of toluene and ethanol.
What's the ratio of the toluene and the ethanol?
70% toluene and 30% ethanol.
pH value of the mixed solvent of toluene and ethanol. The pH value measured by
The instrument is less than 7, and now we need to adjust the ratio to make the pH value equal to 7.
Why it needs to equal to 7?
Because we need to make the solvent neutral.
instrument is less than 7.00.
Dilute the sample one by one with the solvent that pH value has been blended.
One by one.
Dissolve 3 gram sample in 50 milliliter blended solvent and stir evenly.
With the solvent that pH value has been blended, measure the pH
Measure the pH value of sample 1.
value of sample 1.
The pH value of sample 1 is 5.71.
Measure the pH value of sample 2. And the pH value of sample 2 is 5.84.
Measure the pH value of sample 3. The pH value of sample 3 is 6.31.
pH value is 6.31. It has measured that the pH value.
Measure the pH value of sample 4, and the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
Sample 4 is 6.12.
Okay, that's the introduce of this experiment. If you have any question, you can raise your question on the screen.
Anyone here? How many times? How many minutes?
早喝的。
How many times we need to repeat? Do you think? 说话。Hi.
If anybody here you have any question about lubricant additive, you can just send us an inquiry or follow our live stream. And in next live stream, you will see more experiments. If you have any question about the experiments, you can also tell us. We will reply you after the live stream. Okay, then we will see the next second of this experiment.
不是，这是多长时？10分钟了吗？这不？
嗯，
对呀、
哪10分钟？
这不就他那个有了。
哎，我以为你来看底下有人说话呢。
有人说话吗？
你另一个人
还有
看时
人说话
间。
吗？You man Hungary，谁 Hungary 呀？谁呀？ So pretty！哇妈呀，这话怎么没告诉我呀？他夸我，你没看着吗？啊，so pretty，你没看着吗？
我看着了。
你刚才笑啥？笑这句话呢？
啊？
咋的呀？我不 pretty 呀？怎么不告诉我呀？我必须得跟他唠两句儿啊。他是哪个？
又住过几个月了？
现在剩俩了，那仨了。
啥意思？夸我那人还在这儿呢。
不知道。
Hi。
夸人家你咋不告诉人家？
就是。Hi, anyone here? You can just say hi, say hello. 这正是我电话。Hi, anyone here? This is Carol from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additive. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our lubricant additive packages meet the specification requirement of bench test and possess excellent product performance and reliable quality, so that always holds technology leading status in the lubrication industry.
We have more than 100 of additives for you choose, such as components, TB boosters, ADDP, ashless dispersant, power pump detergent, viscosity index improver, antioxidant, anti-rust, anti-foam, and the additive package including gear oil additive package, hydraulic oil additive package, engine oil additive package, and the industry oil additive package. That's the introduce of our company. And our company has our own library, and we do some experiments in our library. Today we will introduce one of them to you. It is about pH value experiment. When we introduce the experiment, if you have any question, you can type your question on the screen. Okay, let us introduce the experiments. What's the experiment measuring about?
This experiment is measuring about the pH value. Now let's introduce this experiment step by step.
Immerse the glass electrode in the distilled water and immerse the reference electrode in saturated potassium chloride solution.
Clean the instrument, and it needs to clean every time before measuring the solution.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value of 0.00.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value for buffer solution.
Buffer solution.
Calibrate the instrument with the pH value 9.18 buffer solution.
Instrument with pH value 9.18 buffer solution.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value 6.86 buffer solution.
How many times should the instrument be calibrated?
It should be 3 times.
That is 6.86 buffer solution.
Measure the pH value of mixed solvent of toluene and ethanol.
What's the ratio of toluene and ethanol?
Mixed with 70% toluene and 30% ethanol.
value of mixed solvent of polyethylene and ethanol.
The pH value measured by the instrument is less than 7, and now we need adjust the ratio to make the pH value equal to 7.
Why it need to equal to 7?
Because we need make the solvent neutral.
Value measured by the instrument is less than 7.00.
Dilute the sample one by one with the solvent that pH value has been blended. Dissolve 3 gram sample in 50 milliliter solvent and stir evenly.
Samples one by one with the solvent that pH value has been blended. Measure the pH value of sample 1.
Measure the pH value of sample 1. The sample 1 pH value is 5.71.
As measured that the pH value is 5.71.
Measure the pH value of sample 2.
pH value of sample 2
Is measured that the pH value of sample 2 is 5.84.
Measure the pH value of sample 3. It has measured that
Measure the pH value of sample 3. The pH value of sample 3 is 6.31.
the pH value is 6.31. It has measured
Measure the pH value of sample 4. Is measured that the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
that the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
Okay, that's the introduce of the experiment pH value. Do you have any question? You can ask us, and we will reply you in the live stream.
Anyone here? Any question? Just be free to let me know. Anyone here? You can just say hi. 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 I didn't hear now.
你给害走了。
Hello, we are from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We will introduce some experiments which is done in our laboratory. You can ask a question when you're watching the video. Let's see the video first.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value of 0.00 buffer solution. Calibrate the instrument with pH value 9.18 buffer solution. Calibrate the instrument with pH value 6.86 buffer solution. Measure the pH value of the mixed solvent of polyethylene and ethanol. The pH value measured by the instrument is less than 7.00. Dilute the samples one by one with the solvent that pH value has been blended. Measure the pH value of sample 1. It has measured that the pH value is 5.71. Measure the pH value of sample 2. It has measured that the pH value is 5.84. Measure the pH value of sample 3. It has measured that the pH value is 6.31. It has measured that the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
Hi. Anyone here? You have any question? Just be free to let me know. This is Kara from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additives. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our lubricant additive packages meet the specification requirement of bench test and possess excellent product performance and reliable quality. so that always holds technology leading status in the lubrication industry.
Our company is lubricant additive supplier, and we have more than 100 of additive for you choose, such as components, TPM booster, ZDDP, isolers dispersant, viscosity index improver, power pump depressant, antioxidant, anti-rust, and anti-foam. And also we have additive package, including gear oil additive package, hydraulic oil additive package, engine oil additive package, and industry oil additive package. That's the introduce of our company, Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are a lubricant additive supplier from China. Our company has the laboratory which has made some experiments, and today we will introduce one of it. What's the experiment measure about?
This experiment is measuring about the pH value. Now let's introduce this experiment to you step by step.
Immerse the glass electrode in distilled water and immerse the reference electrode in saturated potassium chloride solution.
Clean the instrument, and it needs to be cleaned every time before measuring the solution.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value of 0.00.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value 4 buffer solution.
For buffer solution.
Calibrate the instrument with a pH value 9.18 buffer solution.
Instrument with pH value 9.18 buffer solution.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value 6.86 buffer solution.
Instrument with pH value 6.86 buffer solution.
How many times the instrument should be calibrated?
It may be 3 times.
Measure the pH value of mixed solvent of toluene and ethanol.
What's the ratio of toluene and ethanol?
Mix with 70% toluene and 30% ethanol.
pH value of mixed solvent of toluene and ethanol.
The pH value measured by the instrument is less than 7, and now we need to adjust the ratio to make the pH value equal to 7.
Why is it to equal to 7?
It's to make the solvent neutral.
Measured by the instrument is set at 7.00.
Dilute the sample one by one with the solvent that pH value has been blended. Dissolve 3 gram sample in 50 milliliter blended solvent and stir evenly.
One by one with the solvent that pH value has been blended. Measure the pH value of sample 1. It has measured that.
Measure the pH value of sample 1. It is measured that the pH value of sample 1 is 5.71.
Measure the pH value of sample 2. Is measured the pH value is 5.84.
Measure the pH value of sample 1. It is measured that the pH value of sample 1 is 6.31.
value is 6.1. It has measured that
Measure the pH value of sample 4 is measured that the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
Okay, that's the introduce of the experiment. If you have any question about this experiment, you can type your question on the screen and we will reply your question.
Anyone has any question? If you have any question or interest in our company or our products, just be free to let me know. Anyone here? 怎么样？
还得来一遍。啊，才25分钟，还差5分钟。要不你俩就让他说点别的。
We are from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. Our laboratory do some experiments and this time we will introduce the pH value. Let's see the introduce video first.
Calibrate the instrument with pH value for 0.00 buffer solution. Calibrate the instrument with pH value 9.18 buffer solution. Calibrate the instrument with pH value 6.86 buffer solution. Measure the pH value of the mixed solvent of polyethylene and ethanol. The pH value measured by the instrument is less than 7.00. Dilute the samples one by one with the solvent that pH value has been blended. Measure the pH value of sample 1. It has measured that the pH value is 5.71. Measure the pH value of sample 2. It has measured that the pH value is 5.84. Measure the pH value of sample 3. It has measured that the pH value is 6.31. It has measured that the pH value of sample 4 is 6.12.
Hi, this is Kara from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additives. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our lubricant additive packages meet the specification requirement of bench test and possess excellent product performance and reliable quality, so that always holds technology leading status in the lubrication industry.
Hello, this is Catherine. I'm from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. Our company is lubricant additive supplier and we have more than 1 years of additives, including components, TBN booster, ZDDP products, Ashler's dispersant, viscosity index improver, power pump detergent, antioxidant, anti-rust, anti-foam, and additive package including gear oil additive package, hydraulic oil additive package, engine oil additive package, and the industry oil additive package. And that's the introduce of our company, Shanghai Minglan Chemical. And our company has our own laboratory, and we do some experiments in our laboratory. If you are interested in this kind of additives or experiments, you can follow our live stream. You can raise your question on the screen. We will reply your question. And today we will introduce the experiment of pH value. We can see the video again.
Calibrate the instrument with
没有。
pH value for
刚才20了，1分钟。
29，还有1分钟。
看完这个。
Calibrate the instrument with pH value 9.18
我跟你说是
现在已经28了，
78
这不30了吗？
Calibrate the instrument
这是在你说之前开的。
value
你不注重你是直播时间吗？你是直播时间还是讲话时间？考虑是。
value of the solvent of polyethylene and
你操，那1分2分的吗？你刚才说啥呢？
pH value
4点半还得去。
那你的手机，你往那啥充电器带过去。
我在想，我搁那边下班还是还回来打卡呀？
那你肯定得打卡呀。
实验呢？
嗯，
你自己去的。
Measure the pH value of sample 1. It has measured that the pH value is 5.71. Measure the pH
那
value
剩下一个
of
点做完了吗？
It has measured that the pH value is
最近今天活儿就太多了，他们那儿。
Measure the pH
然后中午可能你也得去。
笑得我。
measured that the pH value is 6.31. It has measured that the pH value of sample 4 is
那你现在
6.1.
去吧。那你现在去吧。
我手机不
Okay,
拿走
we have completed
For the model.
experiment. Do you have any question?
我不拿手机，我就自己去了。
我说你现在4点半了，可以走了。
行，那你收拾吧。我意思也就是你自己收拾。
We will finish today's live show. Bye bye.
你还拜拜不？
Bye. See you.